course, it's hard to beat being outside enjoying nature. But the next best thing to it, especially when it's a little cooler out, snowing, on a winter's day, sitting in that comfortable chair, hot cup of coffee, fireplace blazing, watching what's going on out there, like something like this under the bird feeder. If you like this, hit that like button. Maybe share it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified when more drops. And always, always talk to a child about the wildlife you see.